The first message appeared on January 4th, 2012. A black and white image on an obscure forum. Plain text. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. It promised a test. It signed off with a PGP key. And it began one of the strangest mysteries on the internet, Cicada 3301. What looked like a meme was actually a labyrinth. A clue inside the image pointed to another image, hiding data in its pixels. That led to a code, then a book cipher, then a URL. Each door opened to another door. Classical ciphers, prime numbers, steganography, philosophy quotes, obscure references to medieval texts. It didn't just test if you could solve a puzzle. It tested how you solve. Weeks in, the puzzle spilled into the real world. Coordinates pointed to posters, QR codes taped to telephone poles in cities across multiple continents. Scan them, and you were back in the maze. PGP-signed messages, onion sites, countdowns, phone numbers that answered with riddles. Whoever was behind it had money, reach, and patience. Then, silence. Some solvers received private instructions. The rest of us were left with a signature, a cicada emblem, and the number 3301. A year later, another test, then another. A book appeared, Liber Primus, the first book, written in runes and encrypted so thoroughly that large parts remain unsolved to this day. It wasn't just code. It was a manifesto about privacy, self-sovereignty, resisting commodification. So who, or what, was Cicada 3301? Breadcrumb 1, precision. The PGP signatures stayed consistent. Messages were timed. Infrastructure was global. That looks like an organization with resources and operational security. Breadcrumb 2, ideology. Cicada quoted texts on cryptography, liberty, decentralization. The instructions urged solvers to use secure, open-source tools and to avoid corporations. That suggests more than recruitment. It reads like a mission. Breadcrumb 3, selection pressure. The path narrowed as it progressed. Group collaboration got you in the door. Later steps split solvers into isolated channels. It felt like a filter to identify not just talent, but temperament. From these crumbs, 3 theories took root. Theory 1, a state intelligence agency. The puzzles test cryptography, discipline, the ability to operate under pressure. Exactly what agencies recruit for. The global posters? Easy if you have assets everywhere, but the anti-institution messaging feels off-brand. Theory 2, a private research or cyberops collective, security startup, mercenary firm. The emphasis on tools and tradecraft fits. But why publish a philosophy-laden book and then vanish? Theory 3, a decentralized privacy cult. Cult in the cultural sense. A small group devoted to crypto-anarchist ideals, using puzzles to find true believers. The runes, the mythic tone, the secrecy. It all aligns. Yet there's no clear proof of an outcome beyond the test itself. Here's what we know. The verified PGP key ties the major drops together. The posters were real. People met, scanned, solved. Skilled cryptographers made progress. Sections of Liber Primus remain locked, either unsolved or unsolvable without an unknown key. In 2017, a message signed with the Cicada key warned about imitators. Since then, no confirmed new puzzles. So why does it remain unsolved? 3 reasons. First, the design is asymmetric. The puzzle shifts mediums, images, audio, literature, geography, forcing solvers to carry knowledge forward while denying them a single map. Second, the bottleneck. If a crucial key was given privately to a few, the public trail dead ends by design.